Hello, scientists. Okay, I'm going to show you what you need to do to complete the Explore pages 2 and 3 in the immune chapter in Discovery Education. So, you logged in, and remember, hit this Does Grandma Know Best About Your Health link. Okay, that is going to, remember, it's going to bring you to the Engage page of the immune chapter, but we don't want to be on the Engage page. We want to go to the Explore page because you've already completed the Engage page. And now you're on Explore, and you've already done page 1. So you are going to go to page 2. Just click on that link. Okay. So I'll know I'm on the Explore page because the green bar is under Explore, and I'm on page 2. So here on page 2, I would like you to read this section on how does the immune system protect our bodies from diseases. And remember, if a word is highlighted in blue, it can take you to the interactive glossary. So if you don't know what any of these words mean, you can click on that link and it'll take you to the interactive glossary. So please read all of this interesting material about how your immune system works. Remember, that's a group of parts that work together to keep you from getting sick or to help fight off sicknesses. So remember, you can read all of this, and if you're having problems reading it, remember you can highlight it and hit the speak text, and it will read it to you. Okay, so keep going. These 3 videos, they're not embedded, they're extra videos. If you would like to enrich your learning, please feel free to watch one of these videos or all of them. You do not have to. Keep going. And I would like you to respond to this prompt. A bacterium has penetrated the skin. What does this pus-filled boil tell you about how the body responds? So use what you learned up here in this chapter to respond. You do not have to do the mystery of the Biogene picnic, but do read about allergies. Those are kind of interesting. You do not have to do this activity on peanut allergies. All right, so once you've read about allergies, go hit next, and it's going to bring you to page 3. Okay, so on page 3, again, please read. This page is on how vaccines work with our immune system to prevent diseases. So read about how vaccines work. Please watch this video about how vaccines work and why we need them. Go ahead and watch this video about the different types of immunity. There's 2 types of immunity you can have. Keep reading this. And then the last thing you need to do on this page, it says some populations cannot have certain vaccines and are considered to be vulnerable. Which of these populations would likely be able to receive a vaccine for a dangerous virus that attacks the immune system? So these are just drag and drops that you can move into the appropriate box. Okay, and you will use what you learned when you were reading this to answer these questions and do your best on them. All right, when you have finished that, please hit submit, and you are done with this part of the assignment. Go back into your digital science notebook and complete the learning target reflection, and then make sure you just hit submit when you're finished. All right, let me know if you have any questions.